If you're experiencing a subscription error on Com Business, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that your payment information is up to date. Log into your account and verify that your credit card or payment method has not expired or been declined. Step 2. Review subscription status. Go to your account settings and check the status of your subscription. Make sure that your subscription is active and that there are no pending issues or notifications. Step 3. Clear app cache. If you're using the Com app, try clearing the app cache. This can help resolve any temporary glitches. Go to your device settings, find the Com app, and clear the cache. Step 4. Update the app. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Esrog to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the error persists, reach out to Com's customer support. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the subscription error on Com Business. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support for a more in-depth solution.